Hey guys, how you doing? Jay, Liberty Ring Creations. So today, while we're waiting for our resin mold to cure, and that will be another video coming up real soon, I thought I'd do something fun. Normally I don't believe in rushing through any of this, but I thought it would be fun to try and challenge myself. And we're gonna do a 5-minute challenge today, coin ring. So we're gonna go from this to this, hopefully, in 5 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer, and then we're just gonna get to it. Oh, not the time for tools to stick.
Come on, dude, use your big boy hands.
I'm trying.
I guess those baby shark exercises didn't work.
No.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe button and ring the bell. You heard the bell. You gotta ring the bell. Share our videos, and I'm gonna pick a random subscriber and we'll send you this ring. It is a size 8. So if somebody wants a size 8 California quarter ring, subscribe, add your, just post in the comments below, and I'll pick somebody to send this ring to. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you real soon.